Are you lounging on the couch, consuming brain rot on TikTok, knowing that you have fitness goals this year? Well, it's time to get up.
From the moment we met, I felt the electricity.
Now, one of the ways that I like to get my cardio in indoors is I do have an indoor walking pad. Obviously, you do not need a walking pad. You can definitely walk in place while watching TV. So there's literally no excuse. I do this all the time while binging my favorite shows. Don't mind how I look while running. Oh my god, I hate watching myself running.
It's gonna be a surfing summer all the way.
Yes, cleaning. You'd be surprised to know how many steps you can get in just by tidying up, vacuuming, sweeping, doing laundry. It literally all counts towards the steps that you get in for the day. You can quite literally get your 10,000 steps in for the day just by cleaning. I promise you, I have done this all the time. If I don't feel like exercising for the day or I'm feeling sick, I would literally just clean up the house and or do laundry, and then I get my 10,000 steps in for the day. So a lot of times I would do a deep clean where I clean the kitchen, the bathroom, like anything that needs cleaning. Even if it doesn't need cleaning, I would just go over it again just to get my steps in. Now, even though my preferred method of working out definitely is walking, I will still do at-home workouts here and there, especially weight training. I do it about twice per week at least because muscles do burn fat, and it's just very important as you get older to strength train. It's something that I plan on doing till the end of time. So I grab my 10-pound dumbbells and I follow a YouTube routine. I have attached soon the YouTubers that I watch the most. It really helps with toning and making me at least feel strong and feel like a baddie shot o'clock. And then after that, of course, it's very important to stretch. It's something that I'm trying to practice more because I have to be honest, I don't always stretch after exercising, but this is my time to really decompress, make sure that I'm taking care of my body. And after that, I drink a nice glass of water.